Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Libby. Happy birthday to you. Look it. Here's some pots and pans. And all your food for your kitchen. Bread and some meat so you can cook and have lunch. Can you make us some lunch on the stove?
I'd like a hot dog, please. Here's your cupboard to put your dishes in. Oh, yeah. Turn your stove on.
Show how yummy.
Look it. Look it. There's the oven. Look it. You could put a hamburger into the oven and cook it. And then you gotta set your dial. Is that fun?
Microwave.
Look it up here. Here's your microwave. And then your stove is here. And your sink.
Oh, do your dishes.
Oh, you gonna wash it? Whoosh. Wash it up.
That thing just sticks on.
Where's your spoon? Stir the pot. You got soup in there? Get your spoon and stir it up. There you go.
Yummy, yummy.
Oh, I can't wait to try it. Oh.
Yummy, Libby. Thank you. You're gonna make a hamburger?
She's a modern cook.
Turn it on.
Beep.
Do you have any buns for your hamburger?